Hello everyone, this is our 2002 Corvette Z06 with 22,000 miles in the odometer. Impeccable condition, finished in yellow. Original tires to evidence the real miles. Only 22,000 miles. It's almost as new. All stock, not modified. Everything is just as it came from the factory on this Z06. So very sought after, especially in yellow, which is a very desirable color. It's a very beautiful car. It turns around heads. It looks beautiful under the Miami sky. I'm sure it will look phenomenal. The interior is what is expected from a car with this mileage. The seats are soft, comfortable. 6-speed transmission, ice cold AC, not a dent on the body, not a scratch. Wheels don't have any curb rash. You can see that in the photo gallery. It drives like a new car, really does. Very beautiful opportunity to take a great Z06 home and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can call me, Bernard, at 305-443-7626. You can follow us on Instagram at RMC Miami or our website, rmcmiami.com. Thank you for watching.